ஓம் ஸ்ரீ கணேஷாய நமக. ஸ்ரீமன்னாராயணியம். ஓம் ஸ்ரீ கிருஷ்ணாய பரபிரம்மணே நமக. தசகம் 39, ஸ்லோகா 10. பவத் குஷல காம்யயா சகலு நந்த கோபஸ்ததா பிரமோத பர சங்குலோ த்விஜகுலாய கின்னாததாத் तथैव पशुपालकाः किमु न मङ्गलं ते निरे जगत्त्रयमङ्गल त्वमिह पाहि मामयात्. Word by word meaning. Tada, then. Saha Nandagopaha Khalu, Nandagopa indeed. Pramoda Bhara Sankulaha, Pramoda Bhara extreme joy. Sankulaha overwhelmed with joy. Bhavat Kushala Kamyaya, out of desire for thy welfare. Dvijakulaya, to holy men. Kim na adadat, what did he not give? Tatha eva, in the same way. Pashupalakaha, the cowherds. Kimu mangalam, what auspicious acts. Na tenire, did not perform. He Jagat Tritaya Mangala, O Lord, who dost confer auspiciousness on all the three worlds. Tvam, thou. Iha Mam Amayat Pahi, deign to save me here from all afflictions. Full meaning. Then what did Nandagopa not gift to holy men, overwhelmed with joy and desirous of thy welfare? What auspicious acts did the cowherds not similarly perform? O Lord, who dost confer auspiciousness on all the three worlds, deign to save me from all afflictions. Om Tat Sat.